Kiang Nangbah Govt College Jowai, kawai ki college sarkar hapo jongkari lum jantia, kabla aye ke Jingshakri nagbenta ban saindur ya kalawai jong ki samla, haka kat sandrik jong unai lor, kala rakhe ye ke sengi bala seng yaka, ne ka 57 Foundation Day, haka jingalang ka bala penlong ha auditorium jong kate ka college. Ya ka ne ka college la seng nadu ka kat sandrik jong unai lor kat kendai spa Henry punyo. Deha ka Snem kat kendai spa Henry pupra, bakalayo ya ka jaka bapura haka jinghe ka balai puwei akartam. Haka ba Henry akartam la ai no sya ka polytechnic but mentah ka don saat pusau akartam. Ka principal jong ka college ka Dr. Mrs. E.M. Bla kala itu paya ka Jowai Government College la penkelai ka kerteng jong ka haka Snem kat kendai spa prapulai da ka jing ai buram sya uwei ne ki kelawat jong ka rilum jantia u Kiang Nangbah. Kumta ka Snem arja arpuei lengba ka jing treshi tom jongki nong hikai but ki samla pule la itho ya ka college na ka NAAC ha ka grade B but la penlong ya ka college ka banung kong manyo ya ka jing itho hapo jong ka jala. Hadin ka jing itho na ka NAAC na kaliang jong ka college kalayo ban apply ya shibun ki wepat kilat a jing hikai kum ka BA BEd BSc but BEd. Kadeiru kawai na pedeng jong ki santli ki college hapo jong kathan chatei lamingi ban itho da ka NCTE ban sedang ru ya ka course 4 years integrated teachers education program but ya kane on sedang menta ka academic session jong usnem araja arpulai araja arpusau ha ka jo kapor ka college kalayo jingarap ru na ka rashtriya उच्चतर शिक्षा अभियान बट कने का यराप शिबुन या का कॉलेज बन आय का जिंगशक्री या की समला पुले कबाखंभा हाकी स्नेम की बनवन हागने का स्गी ला आय खुसनाम रु शाय की लाइंगुट की लेक्चरर की बलकिन जो आरपुसान स्नेम जोंग का जिंगशक्री कता डॉक्टर जेपी शर्मा na ka Department of Philosophy ka kong SMF Bla na ka Department of English but uba LD Lengdo na ka Department of Chemistry. Kumjo ru ya ki armut ki samla pule ki balayo toppers ha ka botany but mathematics kata I Salansi Poleng BSc Mathematics but Shanda ka Biang Suchiang BSc Botany. Hakani ka singi layo ru ya ka jingkren na Dr. S.R. Dendem but Dr. J.P. Sharma la pachong shit shushu ya ka singi da ki Jowai bala thau da ki samla pule ka college ka jingshat nalor ki wei but la punkut ya ka program da ka Jowai National Anthem bala lam khamat da ka NSS Jongka College da ka jingi shimbenta lang jongki dong hikai but ki samla pule Jongka College.
So, I congratulate Madam Principal for taking this college to a higher heights. I know you as a teacher here during the NAT preparation in charge of criteria 1, how committed you are at that point of time, and you have been asking, I've been asking you many questions, giving you many assignments. But the assignments you give me today is more tougher to be the judge of these flowers. Beauty lies in the eye of the beholder, and you can imagine how difficult that subjective matters to give a judgment on it. Well, I tried my best, and I love flowers, and all these flowers here, they deserve the equal status of beauty in the eyes of the beholder. Also, I congratulate the staff, teaching staff, who have completed 25 years of service. In our college also we have this culture to celebrate the completion of 25 years of service. So today is your silver jubilee in this college. So congratulations to you, your hard work, your commitment to this college, and I understand for 25 years to serve in the same institutions, how many challenges, how many kinds of experience you have come across, but you have overcome it till today.
I'll tell you that in future, our life is going to be very tough. Every day, NAC is giving something new things. We have to fulfill all those things. So we have to go at par with that. Okay. Then PM Urusa, our this committee also playing a very important role in our college, especially Mr. Remiki Nomulu is doing very hard work, and I think through him only we get more funds from Rusa. I have learned everything from Satendra. The ABC of NET I have learned from Satendra. He used to come to our college, sitting in the evening, doing the work, always we are talking to each other. Okay. And slowly I also came to know about all these things. And now we are on the track. That time actually many teachers also were not known about all these things. They were also ignorant. But now they know everything. They are learning, they are doing the work. So this is a plus point for all of us. This is a very good one. So slowly we are doing all these things, but we have to have some aim and goal. When we say that aware, arise and this is the goal, where is the goal? The goal should be big. If the goal is big, then only we will work for that goal. So this is very important.